This week on 24trains.tv, a new 24 Trains train report. Besides that, we go train spotting in Switzerland, watch in 4 episodes how a beautiful model steam locomotive is built. We see unique historical footage from the news from the 50s to 70s, and we watch the cab view from Erfurt to Nuremberg with an ICE engineer. Also, you can read the most beautiful magazines on our website. For example, dive into the gorgeous Trackside Model Railroading magazine. Go to 24trains.tv and sign up for more great train content.